Marketing Product Specialist for AGCO Hay Tools in North America. Today we're going to take a look at the 2200 series baler, but more importantly the brand new ProCut offering for model year 16. The new ProCut features enhanced capacity, greater reliability, and easier serviceability. The new ProCut feature on the 3x4 baler has 26 knives. The knife bank can be raised fully up, or left and or right bank can be raised or lower. The 2250 3x3 baler has a 17 knife bank. Same thing, left, right, or all the way up. A new feature for the cutter is a slide out knife drawer. We're going to have a look at that feature right now. Here we can see the new ProCut cutter. As you can see, it's raised in the upward position. Before we show you how easy it is to lower the knives and lower the drawer, we'll need to do a couple steps in the monitor. Let's go up into the tractor cab and take a look. As I mentioned earlier, there's a couple steps we had to do before we could lower the knife bank and pull out the drawer. As you can see, we have a brand new icon for the ProCut baler. This right here is our cutter selection screen. We simply highlight the bottom box in the right corner, select with the scroll wheel, and here we can change between raise and lowering the knives or raise and lowering the entire knife drawer. For this exercise, we will first want to select both knife banks so we can lower them before we can pull out the drawer. So simply highlight it, select, and you can see right here your status icon to tell you exactly what function is selected for the cutter. Before we can lower the knives, we have to do one more thing. We have to raise the pickup into the up position so the pickup is all the way up, and then we can select our other valve to then run the knives. We will want to lower the knives so then we can lower the drawer and slide it out. As you can see now, the knives have been completely lowered and the drawer has been lowered. It's now safe to pull out the knife drawer bank. Simply pull this gold handle out, pull the gray handle, and the bed will slide out. As you can see, the knife bed has a stop in it. The knife bed cannot come off the track. To remove the knives, all we have to do is pull this pin, lift the locking lever until it locks into place, and now our knives are safe to remove. Simply lift up on the front side and the knives will slide right out. They can be sharpened, replaced, or a blanking plate could be inserted. So now, with the knife removed, we can pull out a blanking plate and insert it into place. The blanking plates are used to increase our crop cut length. With all of the knives in place, we have an 1.5 inch crop cut length. If you insert one blanking plate in between two knives, you now have a 3-inch cut length. To reinstall the knife, simply drop it right back down into place, and it'll snap right back in. At this point, we can undo our locking lever back to the home position, and the knives are locked in place. After you're done servicing your knives, release the locking plate back down to the home position, slide the drawer back in, make sure it latches. At this point, you can now raise the bed up, raise the hydraulic knives up, and you're back and ready to bale. These were some of the high-level sales features of the new ProCut offering for the 2200 series large square baler. For more information, visit Massey Ferguson or Heston.com. Thank you, and see you next time.